these handles of love gots to go. Oh my god, look at that. It's so freaking pretty. That's a nice background. This sunset is pretty as hell. But what's today? Today's Saturday, January 28th. So yeah, I'm about to go I'm gonna go get this Pan-Axel face wash cleanser for my face. And I'm gonna get something else that's on my list. Oh, acai bowl, yeah. Oh, I see the sun going down. Oh my god. It is so pretty. I love the sunset. I'm a sunset girl. I'm a beach sunset wine girl. Okay? This is it, right? I'll be forgetting. I dare be forgetting. I'll ask them about this is the one I came here to sign up for. The supposedly $1 down and stuff, but this is not honest. She was like, that's not $1. It's gonna be like $6 to $8, but all the types of stuff. Oh, it says right here. So this is the membership that we signed up for.
This channel was a classic one that they said was $1, but it's not $1.
So we're taking this one where we could get all the perks, services, and
we could bring a guest. We could work out anyone that we want to work out. So yeah, that's the one that we did.
2 months after you sign up, then you pay that $51, but it's once a year, so that's not bad.
I just had a classic card is the same annual fee, so might as well just get the black card with the perks. So it makes sense to me. This is what we're paying today. This is what the bill would be every month. And that's it. So I'm about to submit my order.
Finally, back in the gym, baby.
This is yours. This is me. All right. And look, you're all set.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's the name?
Faith.
Faith. Oh,
yes.
you was nice. You was real nice.
Thank you.
She was real nice. Hi, nice meeting you. She was so nice. I like her. So we just saw Planet Fitness. Just signed up for Planet Fitness. I'm so excited. And this girl here, she was mad nice. Like, good customer service. Yeah. What is going on today? This man back there, he's wilding. Somebody grandfather needs to come get some grandfather. He will not keep his tongue in his head, like, sir. I'm trying to lift up his shirt. I'm like, all right, this is where it stops now. I got an Aki Patty for the taste and see how it tastes. Yeah, me too. Yeah, so I got an Aki Patty because that place didn't have no acai bowls. I just settled for this, but not a settle because it still tastes good. So my Aki Patty was really good. That patty was nice. I like it. We went to this came from the bank.
I'm thinking about switching banks. Hey, nice park up I been open.
But I was saying I'm gonna switch banks because that foolishness that happened with BOA. I'm not with it. A pretty face and bad character. Your face is pretty but your character dirty. Act too flirty. That girl Shelly Ann. I'm cute. And not this Mexican food truck guy playing all the tones And I play all the tunes. Let me know about that, sir. And obviously know something because he's playing all the tunes. All of them. Yeah, so I signed up for the gym. So I'll soon start that. I'm waiting for my protein powder and my gear for the gym and everything. I ordered a pair of sneakers. I'm waiting for that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna make a detox drink with cucumber, lemon, ginger. Hopefully that detox me enough. But I'm not trying to go on a crazy diet though. I'm just gonna try have like a balanced diet and don't eat too crazy as I used to before, and just don't order out as much, even though that's kind of hard with my work schedule. But I'm gonna try to do it like I was doing my diet before. Like I had a good diet going, and once May of 2021 hit, from then I've been eating crazy. So now I'm ready to get back to myself and just focus a little bit more on self-care for myself and just take care of my health and everything, you know. So yeah, the gym about to be my friend. We about to be real good friends because it's his birthday coming up too. Like whichever island I'm gonna be on, yes, it needs to be a 2-piece and no cover up this time. So yeah, I want to feel secure in my body, so I ain't gotta wear no cover up or nothing. These handles of love got to go. They gotta go. They gotta go. I don't like them. They got to go. So yeah, mine's not drastic or anything. It's just still they gotta go. Even though I saw the weight gain in my face, but I wasn't really feeling it as much on my body. But now, not now, but it's been a minute that I feel it. I'm like, yeah, girl, it's time for you to go. Stop the stress eating and everything. And everybody grieve differently. So mine was stress eating, and yeah. It's finally snowing. So it's some days later, and I'm just leaving work. Moving to the bus stop. We're in February now. It's February 1st. And look what we got going on outside. Some snow. Ooh, I should keep getting in my eye and on my lashes. I don't like that. My hair getting wet. Well, it's the deep wave, so it's okay. It's been snowing in other states, like heavy, like Connecticut, I think PA too, Pennsylvania, but we haven't got no snow like this, not to my knowledge anyways. People are like, oh, it's snowing, it was snowing today. I'm like, it was. I don't know what degrees it is, but it's still not second, so whew. But it is cold. It's very cold. At least I have my hat because I don't have no gloves. My lashes keep getting wet. Thank God these are the strip ones, so I can take them off when I get home. I'm gonna throw in a little montage.
Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now.
2 weeks later.
Happy Valentine's Day, people. Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Beauty Gay. And please don't forget to subscribe. So it's officially Valentine's Day. I'm just on my way home from work. I'm just on my way home from work. My hair look crazy, I know, but whatever.
Several hours later.
I can buy myself flowers, I can take myself dancing. They think you don't understand.
By the time y'all see this, it would not be Valentine's Day. But I bought this stuff on Amazon that I want to try. It's Valentine's Day-ish, and it's really way out my comfort zone. But we want to try something new today. I don't know if I'm going to wear it to work. It has a bang. I usually look good in bangs, but I don't know. Like I said, this color is out of my comfort zone, so I don't know. I'm scared. It's like a hot, light pink with gray and black, and I don't know. It looks good on wearing this to work, so let's go and try it on. Here it is. Out the package. I'll put the link and everything in the description because I don't remember. Oh, I paid $20 for this. Yeah, it was $20. Of course, it's synthetic. But I don't remember if it was like human blend or whatever. I don't know if it's blend with human hair or not. But ooh, I like her. So I bought this wig to do my story time, my Valentine's Day story time. But I said, let me see how it looks first. Let me try it on and see how it looks. But I like it. Look at this. So, you know, it has a bang. You can see the bang. It has a bang. And then the length, I don't know the length. It's like a body wave bang wig. And the color, I don't remember the name of the color. I'll put it on the screen if anything. But as you can see, it's like a light pink with gray. The top part is black and gray. Yeah, let's see. But I'll give it out 360. I'm gonna try it on now. What is this? Oh, it's myself. What am I doing to myself? This shit. It don't look bad. Okay, so it don't look bad because the top part is like gray and black. So it don't look bad, but the whole pink, it ain't me. Color ain't me. As Jamaican as I am, the color is not me. I don't know. It don't look bad. I feel like the reason why it don't look bad is because it's a bang wig, and I usually look good in bang wigs. Like, it's one of my favorite wigs to wear, wig styles to wear, but I haven't worn one in a while. So to this be the first color in a while, Jesus, what is this? And I saw one in the window at a beauty supply store by my house, like walking to work, and I saw it. I was like, oh, I like that, but it wasn't as bright as this. But even though I feel like this is not that bad, but for me to wear outside, Lord, that's gonna be a challenge. I don't know how this looks. I don't know how I feel about it. It's too long. Maybe it wasn't this long. It's too long. It's too much. It's gonna bother me at work. I can't wear this. It's gonna bother me. I'm just gonna leave it for the video because this ain't gonna be it. This shit is funny. It's so long. That's how long it is. I have no work logo. Y'all don't need to see. I don't need to see where I work at. And yeah. So but yeah, happy Valentine's Day, everybody. My Valentine's myself. I'll make sure y'all treat yourself to something. I'm gonna treat myself to a spa next weekend because this weekend was booked. Make sure y'all treat yourself to something on Valentine's Day if y'all single. Single or not. Don't wait for somebody else to treat you. Treat yourself. Make sure today is extra special for you. Treat yourself. Okay? My job is doing something for us today, so that's probably next up you see. I can't record much in there, but I know, like, have the food or whatever. My supervisor was like, don't call out. I'm like, sir, I don't have reason to call out. I have money to make. He was definitely like, bring your Tupperware, because he knows a lot of people not coming to work today. There's going to be a lot of food left over, so yeah, bring me some food home. I'm definitely going to listen to him and bring me extra Tupperware. Ain't buy no lunch, that's my lunch. But yeah, y'all, we're going to close out with my good sis Miley.
The dream that can't be sold. Built a home and watched it burn. I didn't wanna leave it. I can buy myself flowers. I can take myself dancing. But I cannot be better than you can.
Period. Got some cupcakes here. I'm gonna try to make one of these later on.
Yeah, look.
Play so much.
You got your man son for Valentine's Day?
She said, I'm
African camel version.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Ocean.
What happened?
That's good. That's good.
Come, Mary. Don't be shy.
Mary.
I call her Mary.
I'm weak. That's not her name.
Oh,
It's Mary.
Thank you, Nikki.
One more?
Yeah, one more.
No.
Yeah, that's good. On plantains.
Why would he call me?
Oh, is that fish? I want fish. Here's my Tupperware. And this is what I'm about to eat.
Lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it.
Good morning. Welcome people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Pinay. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today is February 19th. It's the weekend after Valentine's Day. I think the last thing I posted was on Valentine's Day when I was at work. Yeah. I'm doing laundry, so I'm about to go get me some breakfast, some Dunkin' Donuts. Then I'm going to go chill with my homegirl, Karen and her kids. I got some stuff for them. I want to bring that to her. I haven't seen her in a minute, or them. I haven't seen them in a minute, so I'm going to go do that. And then I might come back and cook if it's not too late. I don't know if that's going to happen. Probably not. I don't know. Depends on how long I stay there. But yeah, I probably won't vlog anything. I'm not gonna vlog because I haven't seen her in a minute, and we're gonna really talk. So yeah, we're gonna have real talk. And I'm bringing a bottle of wine, of course. So that's the plan for today. Right now, I'm about to go get me some Dunkin' Donuts. I wanted porridge, but I feel like it's 11. The porridge is done. I'm supposed to do a Valentine's Day story time. I've been thinking like, should I do it or should I not? But I'm like, that's the only Valentine's Day story that I have. That's like crazy. Not crazy, but like what the F type of story. But yeah. So I want to do that story time. I have a lot more story times, but I want to start off with that one since Valentine's Day is past. Well, I'm starting the gym next weekend. Not everything. I ordered my protein powder and everything else. Not everything came. I'm just like so annoyed. I was supposed to binge start the gym, but then I end up working 6 days and I was tired. And then next week, Mother Nature decides to visit me, so I didn't go to the gym. And then this week I worked 6 days again. Yeah, so I worked Monday to Saturday. I clocked in at 7:54 p.m. and clocked out yesterday at 12:20 p.m. Yeah. Like, I don't know how I'm up right now. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna eat some salmon and pasta for lunch this week. I'm not buying no lunch. Yeah, all that about to be done with. I'm about to go get my breakfast at Dunkin' Donuts. And then just come back and start editing this vlog. Continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright, I just came back from outside. Yo. People are funny. 3 guys just tried to talk to me this time. 3 guys. First of all, one was really old. Like old. Older than my father. Old. And one of them looked like, around my age group, I would say, like in his like early 40s. And he was Asian. Well, that one was just now at the laundromat. Yeah, so I definitely went and got my Dunkin' Donuts. The Asian one was cute though. He was cute. Like, he's Asian, but he got that black swag, if you know what I mean. Like, if you know, you know what I mean. I noticed that he's good looking, but I'm not checking him out. I mean, I'm minding my business. I never dated Asian, and I don't have Asian friends, so I don't know what that's like, but I don't discriminate, so. But if you are blatantly racist, if you're like obviously racist, then yeah, ain't nothing I can do for you over here. But I got my Dunkin' Donuts. I got my hot chocolate with French vanilla swirl. So I put my clothes in the dryer and was waiting for it to. Yeah. So I got 2 wake-up wraps. 2 wraps. Wake-up wraps with some sweet black pepper bacon. Like, if you never tried the sweet black pepper bacon at Dunkin' Donuts, try it. Try it with whatever sandwich you want to try it with, but try that bacon, okay? That bacon is good. I got 2 of those wraps and my hash browns, of course. The hash brown be a little salty though, but I gotta stop eating all that stuff soon anyways. But yeah, this is the wrap. Taking out the wrap. Oh my god, this bacon. Look at this. Oh, she OD. Oh yeah, I ordered it. I don't know. I think the girl was new or something. Look at the bacon. Sweet black pepper bacon. This bacon is everything. But this is the wrap. This is a wake up wrap. Is this white cheddar cheese What's dripping? There's white cheddar cheese with eggs and sweet pepper bacon and a tortilla. It's so good. But I'll eat this and finish watch my YouTuber girls that posted this week. Some of the YouTubers I'll be watching non-stop, like every week. Amina Coco, Jada Monet, Sean Cook, Dimples, Petite Sue. Those are the ones I watch daily. I mean weekly, whenever they post. Of course, Tasha and Tavian. Like I mainly watch Jamaican YouTubers, like Tash Fierce and Tavian, and Chalucci, his sister Drew. Oh, Brittany Simone and Anisha Adams. I don't know where she been at. I just really started watching like American YouTubers, like YouTubers that are based here. Like this African girl named, I don't want to say her name wrong, but Rodia, Tamaridia, something like that. Oh, of course, Shanice Crystal, or Being Nisa. She got two channels, and Jasmine Destine. Those are American based, but I mainly watch Jamaican YouTubers. Like they're my go-to. Did I miss anybody? I'm trying to see. Let me check them out. Did I miss anybody? I don't know if anybody posted it yet this week, but those are the ones that I watch often. Oh, Amina! Look at me talking about Amina. Amina posted. My good sis. About to go watch that tonight. Who else? Who posted it? Oh, today's Sunday, so Tavian should be posting. Oh yeah, Bacana posted too. I'm gonna watch her, but she's in New York and so is her man. Oh, that is a little cute little date night. Oh, just me standing up eating. I don't know why I'm standing up, but yeah, I'm gonna finish my breakfast and go watch one of these girls I just posted. But yeah, continue watching the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a continuing supporter, thank you very much, and keep supporting. Appreciate y'all. I tried to do my story time, but I was working too much. I do be at work a lot. I have a lot of story times, but this is a Valentine's story time. Oh, I ordered Chipotle and they're calling right now. Yeah, like I was saying, I ordered some Chipotle. I just hope they got my order right. It's been a minute. I was gonna go down there and I saw that they closed at 9 o'clock, so I'm like, I'm gonna just order. Ooh. I ordered a Mexican Sprite. That's what it says on there. It says Mexican Sprite. Yeah, definitely. It's definitely Mexican. I remember back in the day when they had this stuff like this. And I had me a side of guac. Yeah, this looks really fresh. Love it. And my bowl. My chicken bowl. My burrito bowl. It's been a couple months I have Chipotle. But open up. What is that? Yeah. So I'm gonna put my guac on the side. I think I have brown rice. Yeah, I got brown rice. So I got chicken, lettuce, tomato salsa, and my fajita veggies. Wait, I don't see fajita veggies. Oh, yeah, fajita veggies. And my side of guac. I want to taste this Mexican Sprite to see what's the difference with the American Sprite. Yeah. Yeah. It tastes lemony, so it has like some type of lemon in there. It tastes tangy. It tastes a little tangy. Lemon lime soda, so that's what I taste. The lemon. But I'm gonna enjoy my food and then I'm gonna do the story time.
Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take